right, everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to transfer one design from one project over to another. I do this all the time and it's super easy. So I'm going to open up the candy bar wrapper template. Again, it's on my website or on my Facebook group. I'm going to transfer the design of this chip bag you see here over to this candy bar template. So I do that by simply using my computer mouse to select all of the layers that are on my screen, and then I literally just hold down the mouse button and I drag and drop all those elements of that other design into this new template. Now, I'm using Photoshop to do this, but you can use this method with any program that you're using. If your program does not allow you to drag and drop certain layers, you can also just copy and paste those layers. As you can see here, it's not going to perfectly fit. If you really believe that it was going to perfectly fit into your new template, you're a little out of your mind because it's just not possible. So what I'm doing here is just kind of fixing the layers, enlarging things, moving them around so that now they fit this new candy bar template. It cuts down my work time so much. So definitely utilize this method. Now I'm going to do this again real quick. I'm actually going to now make a water bottle label in this theme. So I'm starting up a new project, my new canvas. I use the 8.5 by 2 inch measurements. And again, I'm going to use my mouse to select all of these layers, and then I'm simply just dragging and dropping them into my new canvas. Again, it looks crazy, right? This is obviously not what I would print it like. But from here, what I then do is resize the patterns. I stretch out the different shapes and elements I have going on, and I kind of just realign everything to make it look the way that I want it to look. So just imagine how much time goes into this versus starting over from scratch, right? Now, let's go ahead and print out these water labels. So what I'm going to do is save this water label as a PNG to my computer, right? I'm just saving the file by itself. And then I'm opening up a new 8.5 by 11 canvas. So that's the size of a regular sheet of paper. From there, I'm inserting that PNG that I just saved. I literally just opened it up and I dragged it to this new canvas. And now from here, I'm going to arrange it to fit as many of those saved images, meaning the water labels we just made. I'm going to try and squeeze as many as I can onto this sheet of paper. Now, my printer that I have, my Canon Pixma, which I will link in the description box below, it does print borderless. So while your printer you might have to print your water labels in this direction, because my Canon Pixma can print borderless, I can actually fit many more labels by turning them this direction. And instead of 3 water bottle labels that you might be able to print on your non-borderless printer, I can fit 5. So that's why if you look on my website, I know it's strange, but I sell my water bottle labels in increments of 10, not 12. And that's just because it fits my paper. I can print 5 labels to a sheet. All right, so that is really all there is to it. Of course, if you have any questions, just put them in the comments down below, and I always answer all of y'all's comments. Hopefully this video helped a little bit. I wanted to make it quick and painless for you guys, but if you need me to go more into depth, definitely just let me know, and I will make another tutorial for you guys. See you guys next time.